Folks, 2026 is going to be one of the most opportune years in stock market history. If you don't understand the macro setup this year, you're going to be completely lost on why certain sectors are about to outperform while others get destroyed. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 stocks that are absolute must-buys for January. These are companies with powerful catalysts, long-term proof of concept, and in many cases, direct backing by the US government. The macro themes. Before we hit the list, we have to look at the 4 themes defining this year. Theme 1. Dollar destruction. The US is sitting on $38 trillion in debt. There are only 3 ways out: austerity, default, or inflating it away. We know the answer is inflation. This is why gold and silver are melting up. Assets are catching massive buy orders because people are rushing out of the dollar. Theme 2. The AI power crisis. For the last 2 years, people bought AI for productivity. Now, the bottleneck is power. AI data centers consume insane amounts of electricity. Whoever has the power has the best AI. This is the year of powering AI, and nuclear is the answer. Theme 3. American state capitalism. The government is no longer just regulating, it's picking winners. Whether it's semiconductors, rare earths, or defense, the government is putting its thumb on the scale. Theme 4. The Venezuela cheat code. The US has signaled a complete rebuilding of Venezuela's oil infrastructure. By controlling the largest reserves on Earth, the US can crash energy prices, suppress the CPI, and print more money to inflate away debt without the usual ramifications. Stock number 5, Silver Trust, SLV. First up is the iShares Silver Trust. Silver is a massively scarce resource that is currently melting up compared to the dollar. It's used in solar panels, EVs, and military equipment, but most importantly, it's the best conductor of electricity on Earth. The world is running a structural deficit of nearly 200 million ounces annually. Inventories are at multi-year lows. As the dollar devalues, hard assets like silver rip. The gold to silver ratio is narrowing, and bull targets are ranging from $100 to $175 per ounce. Stock number 4, Vistra Corp, VST. Next is Vistra Corp. This is an integrated power company that has transformed into an AI power plant. They own the nuclear and natural gas plants that hyperscalers like Amazon and Microsoft are desperate to use. Vistra recently signed a 20-year power purchase agreement for their Comanche Peak nuclear plant. That is guaranteed revenue through 2045. Their 2026 guidance is a cash generation machine, and 96% of their generation for this year is already hedged. They are monetizing the AI power crisis better than anyone else right now. Stock number 3, NuScale Power, SMR. Number 3 is NuScale Power. This is the most speculative name on the list, but the potential is massive. AI data centers need power 24/7, regardless of weather. NuScale is the only company with an NRC-approved small modular reactor design. Think of it as a nuclear plant built in a factory and shipped to the site. They just landed a massive agreement with the Tennessee Valley Authority to deploy up to 6 gigawatts of capacity. It's a strategic necessity for the US to win the AI arms race. Stock number 2, Kratos Defense, KTOS. Number 2 is Kratos Defense. This isn't your traditional defense contractor. They build the weapons of tomorrow, autonomous, cheap, and expendable drones. Their flagship, the XQ-58 Valkyrie, is a loyal wingman drone designed to fly alongside manned fighters. The US Marine Corps just designated the Valkyrie as an official program of record, ensuring recurring federal budget funding for years to come, with the Pentagon's Replicator initiative aiming to deploy thousands of autonomous systems Kratos is the undisputed leader in this niche. Stock number 1, Chevron, CVX. Finally, our number 1 pick, Chevron. Bloomberg recently reported that Chevron is lining up 11 oil ships as Venezuela's dark fleet vanishes. Chevron is the only major U.S. oil company currently operating in Venezuela. They've been there for decades. They have the relationships and they have the first mover advantage. As the U.S. forces a reopening of these fields to combat OPEC, Chevron is the tip of the spear. With Q4 earnings on January 30th and the Hess acquisition integration, this is the most direct way to play the massive energy shift of 2026. Those are the 5 stocks we are watching heavy this January. The macro stars are aligning for these specific sectors. As always, do your own due diligence because you are the one taking the risk. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.